for memory's sake. We're done. Just like 3-minute photo shoot. These are original walls of the castle complex. May nakita akong mga naglalakad din. Sundan na lang natin sila. This is the wall of the castle. Nasunog to.
A fire destroyed the main structures of Shuri Castle in southwestern Japan on Thursday.
Just recently nasunog to pa. And it's under restoration pa rin. Haba-habang lakaran. Here we go. This is the Shuri Mall. This is Okinawa, Japan. This is the Sonoyan Utaki. This is an utaki. Utaki is a place of worship. Alright. Thank you. He's gonna take photo of me. I'm paying 1,000 yen for this. It's fine. They speak English, so it's okay. Of course, I'm wearing my sneakers. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Oh, the king's robe. And they helped me experience it. Philippines.
Philippines. That's why you can speak English.
Yeah. Demo, ima Kanagawa Sunday Mass. Hi.
Philippines.
No, Luzon, Jima, Bicol.
I went to Cebu.
Cebu. Okay. So he went to Cebu. Okay. Oh, I'm going to pay now before I forget. Okay. He spoke in Filipino. Moi kayo ni gashimasu. Walang problema. Sige na. Sige na. Ang galing. I'm surprised. Nande.
He's been a couple times.
Oh. A couple of times, and then you learned English. You learned Tagalog fast. Oh, that was a nice start as for my tour here in Shuri Castle here in Okinawa. I wore the traditional Okinawan or costume or robe or garb, and the couple there can speak good English and Tagalog, a little bit of Tagalog or Cebu. One because he stayed in Cebu a couple of times, according to him. We had a good chat and we had fun. I had fun wearing the costume, so that was a good start. So now I'm gonna get inside the castle and I'm gonna enter this gate again, Shuraimon Gate. Mon is gate in Japanese. This is the Zuisaimon. This is actually the entrance to the castle. Let's get inside. This is the conduit. In the early times, according to the description there, it served as the water source for everybody here in the castle in Shurijo. And according to the description, this dragon conduit came from China. Oh, so this is, you can make your own sandaya. Oh, thank you. でもわからない。ずっと日本語。Oh, this is. I can make my own santaya.
This is for spring and the autumn equinox.
Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Okay. Equinox.
This one is the
Fuyu.
summer
Natsu. Solstice.
Solstice.
Yeah, summer solstice.
This one is winter solstice.
Winter solstice.
Yeah.
Oh.
So 10 degrees, 64 degrees, 45 degrees.
Okay. Ah, so they have different. いろいろな形、different shapes?
Angles.
Yes. Oh.
But in the era, they changed the angle twice a month.
Twice a month?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So total 24 times.
24 times for a year.
Yeah,
oh. Yeah. So it takes a lot of time. Yeah. Okay, I will make it when I get home.
Yes, please.
What is this? Yeah. Sa ganito, utaki yan. Suimui utaki. Suimui utaki is a worship site. So, Suimui is another name for Shuri Castle, and utaki is worship site. So, according to the Ryukyuan mythology, Sumi-Otaki is a sacred site created by the hands of God and is thus one of the highest standards in Shurijo Castle because it's an otaki, a place of worship. So it's one adult. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah. Look at that. So this building used to stand here, and soon it will rise like in 2026. Yeah, looking forward to that. So these are all the reconstruction efforts being done. So from here you can actually take a closer look at the castle. Wow. The exhibits here outlines the plans laid for the castle. So here, actually this is the Seiden where we are standing right now. Look, it's been totally razed to the ground. This is how it looked like before the fire. It's Gucci hige Suseki. So these are what remained of the dragon head resting. Inside this enclosure, you'll find what remained of the Seiden, the main hall of the castle, Shurijo. It's being preserved. So look. Yes, sir. So this is the remains of the Seiden of the Shuri Castle. Seiden is the main hall. The large dragon head persists. So this is what remained of the staircase. The outside of the castle is still very nice, but it's shielded from from the visitors. So I think this part of the castle, the Shurijo Castle, has been saved from the fire. Yun lang talaga yung center and raised to the ground. So let's get inside and I think we can watch a movie here. That was a nice lesson about history, the whole history of Shurijo. Go to the observation deck. is the observation deck of the Shuri Castle. It's raining. So we are entering Yuya. Yuya is believed to be the bathhouse for female attendants. So let's check it out. Let's get inside. So these have been excavated and charcoal were found among the remains. So this is believed to be the bathhouse for female attendants. Interesting. Close here. Oh. Ooh. It's open. It's time to go home. So it's time to go home. Malamig na. Yun ang daan pa uwi. It was a really nice experience touring around the Shuri complex. It's full of history, nostalgia, and hope. Where we entered, we're also gonna go out. お疲れ様です。